from the housing. Just take it off like that. And you also have to pop this piece out as well. You just use this tool. This is the bendable side. This side you cannot bend. Just push it inward. Now it's out. But it's still hot. We want to replace that light with this LED light. But unfortunately, the LED light that we are going to replace is much bigger. So we have to bend one side. It's the bendable side, like I said earlier. We can bend it inward so that we can place this new LED light in it. It's designed to be bendable, so if in the future you change your mind to use the old one, then you can bend it back out. Also, because we want the light to shine out from the other side, make sure that you put it like this, not like this, so that it will shine outward if we put it like this. The LED light that I've shown you earlier was too big, so I have to change it to this one. The size is smaller. But unfortunately, if we compare it to the original light bulb side by side, it's still bigger. So we need to bend this a little bit. Like so. Now we test the light first to see if it works before we place the whole thing back in. Now we confirm that it works. We can place the whole thing back in. Now we put the cover back in. Like so. And now we put the housing back in. But make sure you place it gently, otherwise the light inside will get loose and falls from its holders. Now as you can see, it works. We finished one side. Let's move on to the other side. We're going to do the same. Just pop it out with this tool or any hard object. Again, just detach the light housing from its socket. Now we're done. Put it back in. You see, it works. Now you're good to go. And with these three LED lights, your cargo lights at night would be very bright. And you don't have to worry about not being able to see what's in the cargo again. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.